How to change someone's nickname on Instagram. Here's a quick and easy way to customize names in your Instagram chats. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap the Messenger or DM icon at the bottom of the chat. Next, open the conversation with the person whose nickname you want to change. Now tap their name at the top of the chat to open the conversation settings. Scroll through the options and tap on Nicknames. Here, you can change your own nickname or set a nickname for the other person in the chat. Tap on the name you want to edit, enter the new nickname, and then tap Done to save your changes. After that, go back to the chat, and you'll see the new nickname displayed at the top of the conversation. Keep in mind that Instagram may add an update message in the chat, showing that the nickname was changed. Depending on the chat settings, other participants may also be able to view or edit nicknames. And that's it. You've successfully changed someone's nickname on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.